at International Auto Show. With everybody, we're chilling. I'm gonna show you guys some vlogs, some cars, some cool stuff. Right, baby? Yeah. So in the Ford Mustang, the Dark Horse edition. It's actually pretty nice, eh? Huh? Sutu. Someone took the little ball out already. Oh, you coming in? Alright, so this is the Ford Explorer. This is actually the same one that I have. Yeah, the same one that we have, baby. This is the exact same one. Go in, go across. Now, my major problem with these Ford Explorers is the traction control comes on all the time. The hill assist comes on all the time. It seems faulty. So it probably needs to be replaced by Ford, and I don't think they're gonna pay for that. Yeah, but it's a nice car. It's very spacious. The same one like ours, baby. Yeah, it's very spacious, very nice. Yeah, the back seat's not comfortable at all in this. Nobody likes sitting in the back seat. Way back there, nobody likes sitting back there. So, you like sitting in the back? Okay, Franny likes sitting in the back, but I don't like sitting in the back. I really like the moonroof here. This moonroof is pretty dope. The whole glass on top, that's actually something that. All right, so we're in the Ford Lightning. Okay, this is I had one of these before actually. I had a nice big Ford F-150. I don't think I'll get the Lightning edition because I don't know how Lightning or electric truck's gonna do when it's actually towing something. I don't think it's gonna work out very well. This does look really nice, but I'll probably end up getting the gas version of this, to be honest. The gas version will probably be a lot better than this. Look at that. You wanna go check it out, baby? Go check it out. Go, 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 go. You gotta sit down, grab the wheel like you're driving. Whoa, there you go. This is the 2024 Corvettes. You know, this is what you guys get for your money. The Corvette's a nice little car, you know what I mean? Guys, so we're in the Trailblazer 2024 edition. Daddy, it kind of looks like the Corvette. What's wrong? You want a color? That's the other car. This one doesn't have a screen to color like the Ford Lightning. The Ford Lightning had a screen you could color on. This one you cannot. How about this one upgrade? All right, we're gonna check out the Suburban. This one? You want to get this one, baby? Okay, well, we'll think about it. All right, so we just checked out the Suburban. Suburban's actually nice, pretty big on the inside, actually. A lot of people over here watching it. It's definitely something I would probably buy for the kids and everything because it's roomy. We have the Ford Explorer right now, 2020 edition. It's nice, but the third row sucks ass, to be honest. You don't want to be sitting in that third row. But this Suburban here is much bigger than the Ford, but also probably a lot more than the Ford. All right, are you cooking the marshmallows? Is it good? Can I sit beside you? Is it warm? Is it warm? Ooh. Okay. All right, so this is the Hummer EV. What do you guys think? You guys like the Hummer EV so far?
Yeah.
It's kind of roomy. It feels like a big truck. But I mean, it doesn't have like the 7 seats like the Explorer. But it is pretty nice.
You can fit people in the trunk.
I guess. Remember when I used to have my truck? I kind of like my truck. We used to carry people in the back of the truck too.
I think you take this off. It's like topless.
I wonder if it will leak over time though, right?
Yeah, probably.
No, they probably put like a roof on top.
No, there is a roof on top, but it probably like leaks over time.
The only rubber seats is right here.
Like this is cool, but I feel like this is not gonna last very long.
Oh, it shows like Taurus.
Yeah, your tire pressure and everything. Come on, baby. GT3 RS. So we're leaving the Porsche exhibits. And we're gonna get out of here. There was a fire alarm going on for a very long time. It was quite annoying, but now it's good. Hopefully it stays like this all day. And so we're heading over to the other building now. Check out the cars over here. Why are we moving?
That seems live for
Yes. Whoa.
You're so much higher than me. I'm scared of you falling on me.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, it's scary part.
I don't know if the camera's picking up how rocky this is, but this is really rocky. Oh yeah, boy. Oh, we'll pause for a minute. Oh yeah. And so we just came off the Jeeps. It was pretty cool. A little one around, a little spin thing was a little cool. Would probably not buy a Jeep. Jeep's not for me. Yeah, Jeep's not for me. I probably won't buy a Jeep. Nice. Reason why I probably won't buy. Oh, sorry. I'm so. Won't buy a Jeep is because it's a girl's car, I think now. Molex. We're in the Tesla car right now. I heard that. I heard Tesla's no good in the winter. That's the word. All right.
Move down, mate. Move down. I just found this at work.
Oh, there's some little games in the Tesla car, right?
Oh yeah, we're cheating. Look.
Right? The place is open.
We're cheating. Look, kidding.
She can help. All right. So we've seen the Cybertruck over here. First time in person, the Cybertruck. The Santa Fe looks nice. All right. All right. Oh, yeah. This is full EV though. All right, so we left the normal place, the cool new cars, and we want to look at the retro cars. We got some Hot Wheels car. was fun. We saw a lot of neat, cool cars, a lot of interesting cars. This was a little test of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So you guys can see the quality. Let me know what you guys thought about it in the comments down below. Also, we'll be doing more vlogs of like this style, you know what I mean? Yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah.